Dear all, in this video we are going to see how to run a Python main function. Similar to other programming languages like Java or C++, Python also in Python also the main entry point is the main function. And when we run a file in Python, then entry point will be the main function. In this code you can see that we have defined a main function, and we have in the function body we have written a print statement which prints hello functions. In order to run the script so that the main function is executed, we have to write this if statement as shown in the line number 10. And if we run the this script through what we called that is this python space main.py, in order to execute the main function, when we run in that way, we have to write this statement that is given in the line number 10, and below that we are calling the main function, and this forms the entry point to the main function. Now let us see what will be the output after running the function. Now we shall execute the function using Python interpreter. Yeah, we have got the result in the console, that is hello functions. In order to execute a Python file in this way, a statement as shown in the line number 9 should be present in your script. Okay, that's all for this tutorial. Thank you.